Looking for the perfect Christmas Day makeup look? Welcome to a world where beauty meets creativity, where you can transform your face into a canvas that tells a story of festive joy and holiday glitz. Today, we're delving into the realm of Christmas Day makeup, guiding you through two distinct looks that will undoubtedly add a touch of magic to your celebrations. The first look we'll be exploring is a natural, glowy look. This style accentuates your natural beauty with a subtle, dewy finish that captures the essence of a winter sunrise. It's perfect for those who prefer a minimalist, yet elegant approach to their makeup. Our second look is for those who love a touch of glamour. This glittery look is all about the sparkle and shine that Christmas is known for. It's a bolder style that makes a statement and brings the holiday cheer straight to your face. Stay tuned to learn how to create these stunning looks. First up, the natural glowy look. A good makeup look starts with prepping the skin. Before you even touch your makeup brushes, remember to give your skin some love. Start by using a hydrating moisturizer that will give your skin that much-needed hydration. This will not only nourish your skin, but will also provide a smooth canvas for your makeup. Next up, a good quality primer is non-negotiable. A primer will fill in any fine lines or pores, giving you an even, flawless base to work with. It will also ensure that your makeup stays put and lasts all day, even amid the Christmas festivities. Now, for the foundation. Choose a light, dewy foundation that will give you a natural, radiant finish. And don't forget a hydrating concealer to hide any imperfections or dark circles. With the base ready, let's move on to the eyes. Eyes are the window to the soul, so let's make them shine. In the realm of makeup, eye makeup can truly be transformative. It can take your look from simple to glamorous, or from everyday to festive. For a Christmas Day look, we're going to keep it soft and natural, but still festive. Start by choosing a neutral eyeshadow palette. The beauty of neutral shades is that they work with any outfit, any look, and any occasion. A soft taupe or a gentle beige can create a beautiful base on your eyelids. Sweep the shadow all over your eyelid up to your crease. This will provide a clean, even canvas for the rest of your eye makeup. Next, we're going to add some dimension to your eyes with a soft brown eyeliner. This shade is less harsh than black, but still adds that necessary definition. Line your upper lash line, and if you're feeling adventurous, lightly smudge it out for a slightly smoky effect. This will give your eyes a beautiful depth without overwhelming them. Let's not forget about mascara. A volumizing mascara will make your lashes look fuller and more dramatic. Apply 2 coats to your top lashes and 1 coat to your bottom lashes. This will open up your eyes and make them really stand out. Moving on to the cheeks, let's add a pop of color. A peachy blush is perfect for a Christmas Day look. It adds warmth and a healthy glow to your skin, making you look fresh and vibrant. Apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out towards your temples. This technique will lift your face and give it a youthful appearance. Remember, the key to a great makeup look is blending. Make sure all your products are seamlessly blended into your skin for a natural finish. And there you have it. Your eyes and cheeks are now perfectly made up for Christmas Day. Now, let's finish off this natural look with the lips. To complete our natural look, let's focus on the lips. Lips are the finishing touch that can make or break your makeup look, especially on a festive occasion like Christmas. To start off, we are going to use a hydrating lip balm. The purpose of this step is to moisturize and prep your lips, ensuring they're soft and smooth, ready for the lipstick application. Next, we're moving on to the lipstick itself. For a natural glowy look, we're opting for a nude shade. Nude lipstick is a versatile choice that complements virtually any makeup look, making it a must-have for your beauty arsenal. You can choose either a matte or glossy finish depending on your personal preference. A glossy finish can add a touch of glamour and make your lips look fuller, while a matte finish gives a more sophisticated, understated appeal. And there you have it. A natural, glowy makeup look perfect for Christmas Day. Ready to turn up the glamour? It all starts with a flawless base. Think of your face as a canvas, and just like any great piece of art, the preparation of that canvas is crucial. First up, we have mattifying primer. This is your secret weapon against oily skin and unwanted shine. It's an essential step that helps to keep your makeup looking fresh and vibrant throughout the day. Next, we move on to a full coverage foundation. This is where you get to create a smooth and even skin tone, covering any imperfections and creating a perfect base for the rest of your makeup. Don't forget about a good quality concealer. It's your best friend when it comes to hiding those pesky under-eye circles or any unexpected blemishes. And finally, a setting powder. This will lock in your foundation and concealer, ensuring your makeup stays put. With the base set, let's move on to the eyes. Scene script. Time to make the eyes sparkle. There's something magical about Christmas, and your eyes should reflect that. The key to achieving the perfect Christmas Day makeup look lies in the art of bold eyeshadows, a glittery eyeliner, and dramatic false lashes. And let's not forget about defining the eyebrows with a brow pencil. Let's start with the eyeshadows. This Christmas, dare to be bold. Go for rich, deep tones that evoke the warmth of the season. A smoky eye using shades of plum, emerald, or even a bold gold can create a stunning look that's sure to turn heads. Layer your shadows, starting with a lighter base color and gradually building up with darker shades. Blend well to create a seamless transition between colors. Now, onto the glittery eyeliner. It's Christmas after all, and if there's ever a time to add a little sparkle, it's now. A glittery eyeliner can take your look from great to spectacular. Line your eyes with a glitter-infused liner, focusing on the upper lash line. You can either stick to classic black for a smoky effect, or go for a colored glitter liner to add a fun and festive twist. False lashes are the next step. They add drama and intensity to your eyes, making them the focal point of your makeup look. Whether you prefer a natural-looking lash or a full, voluminous set, the choice is yours. Just remember to secure them well and blend them with your natural lashes using mascara. Finally, let's talk about the eyebrows. They frame your face and give your eyes definition. Use a brow pencil to fill in any sparse areas, following the natural shape of your brows. Then, use a spoolie to blend the product and create a natural look. Remember, makeup is an art. It's about expressing yourself and having fun. So, this Christmas, don't be afraid to experiment and create a look that's uniquely yours. Next, let's add some color to the cheeks. Cheeks and lips are up next. Let's start with the cheeks. A bold blush is a must for our Christmas Day look. Apply it with a light hand. You want to look flushed from the winter chill, not like you've just run a marathon. Next, we'll use a bronzer for contouring. Sweep it just below your cheekbones to create depth and definition. Remember, it's all about the angles. Now let's add a little sparkle with a highlighter. Apply it to the high points of your cheeks for that irresistible holiday glow. We want to look like we've been kissed by the winter sun, even if we've been indoors most of the day. Moving on to the lips. Choose a bold, long-lasting lipstick to make a statement. A classic red or a deep plum can never go wrong. Make sure it's a long-lasting formula. We don't want it wearing off after a few sips of eggnog. And there you have it. A glamorous, glittery makeup look perfect